Hi, welcome. It's Yvonne here. So I'm coming at you today with the continuation of the video. I am wearing the same outfit because it is just a little. I just filmed the other one right now. I'm going to film this one right now for the second part of my unboxings of free samples that I got to sponsored ads and freebies through other various sources. So if that's something you're into, definitely keep watching. I have a video on how you can get freebies and sponsored ads also linked in my little description bar, so go check it out if you want to know how to get samples like I do and free stuff, because I pay for nothing. I at least try. Only stuff I pay for is when I go to the bins, because that's my vice. That's my favorite thing to do, is go to the Goodwill outlet and look for things either the reseller keeps. So if that's something you're into, or you like handbags, accessories, yes, go follow me. Go check out my Poshmark, my eBay. I'm under Orejitagirl. I'm accepting offers on everything that I have right now on there. I think I have only like one pair of men's shoes. So if you're looking for Father's Day gift, maybe a late one, go check out my men's shoes. They're Prada. They're beautiful. And I'm also under Luxury Handbag Cheapskate on TikTok and on Instagram. So definitely go follow me on there already. But I'm going to take a sip of my tea because it's very hot. And yeah. This is my Whataburger cup. I love that Whataburger cup. I'm wearing my Cobra Kai shirt. I didn't mention in the other video, but I am. I love Cobra Kai. It's one of my favorite movies. I grew up watching Cobra Kai and The Karate Kid. Well, The Karate Kid. And now I ventured into Cobra Kai. I just finished it. So it's really fun. I'm also wearing these really cute little like 80s zipper pull earrings. They're Talon zipper pull earrings. They're so like cute, and I would pay $1 for them at like a thrift store. No, I got those at a flea market that I used to go to back in the day, and so yeah, super cute. So let's continue with the unboxings because I have a lot to get to. But yeah, let's start with this one because it's right on top, and this one I already know. It's from the Purina app. I don't know if you can see it there. It says Purina app. My Purina app. If you go online and you look for Purina on your app store, you can download the Purina app. It is free to download, and once you download it, you can go on there and get all kinds of freebies with points. So for example, you are going to buy obviously food for your dog or your cat, then you rack up points that way if you buy Purina food products. And also, if you do not buy Purina food products, it is always helpful to be on the app because they do give out treats and stuff with no points required, which is how I got this item. This is a no points required item, but I do have points already accumulated just because my cat does eat this kind of cat food. So yeah, this is not technically the one that she eats because she eats the Shiba, but the whisker lickings, the fancy feast, I wanted her to try it. So, and this one, like I said, it was free. This is a pate, mousse pate with chicken and a halo of savory gravy. There you go. So yeah, you get 2 little servings. I'm not going to open it, but there it is. So cute. Look at the kitty. He's adorable. The little cat's adorable. I say it's a girl. I don't know. But it's cute. So yeah, so like I said, download the Purina app and get in on the deals because you're missing out if you're not. I love the Purina app because I get a lot of good deals from that. My cat has already gotten cat treats from that, and this is already the second item I get for free. And they also had a coupon for $3 off on cat treats, so I was able to get her some cat treats from the store as well. Oh, this one though, this is the Bush's beans. I already got some of the Bush's beans. I think I already posted that, but this is another one, so I don't know. We'll see. I don't know, because this was also a freebie. Somebody posted this one, and that's how I got it, because somebody posted it, and I immediately went and signed up. That's why you have to be in the freebie groups and the freebie things on your Facebook, on your Twitter, on Instagram, especially. I have a link below who you should follow on Instagram, because that's how you get these deals. All right. Oh, this one's nice. This one is so nice. I got another one. I don't know why, but here it is. It says thank you. There you go. Thank you. This was a fam can, so it would be customized with your name, your family name on there. So that's what I got. And I don't know why I got another one because I'd already gotten one. So there's that. So there it is. And then I got this because the point of the can is for you to put your family recipe on it. So there's the family recipe little sticker. You write your family recipe that you do with your Bush's beans, and then you put it on your can. So let's look at the can. I'll show you the can right now, if I can. It comes really nicely wrapped in the bubble wrap. So there's that. Really cute bubble wrap. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and try to cover the name because I don't want you to see my name. Let's see. But here it is. This is the back of it. I'll show you the back first. But this is the back of the can. As you can see, it's a real can. It is sealed, so it's not open. But this is the back of the can, and then you put your sticker like so with your recipe in the back here, and there you go. You got your family recipe on there. And then the front of the can literally has the Bush's like little logo. Let's see if I can show it to you real quickly without showing you my name here. But there you go. This is it. This is what it looks like. It says Bush's. And you could pick which one you wanted. I got the baked beans one, and so that's what they sent me. And then like on the thing, it was customizable. So this is what I put on mine. See how it says family? Let me see. It says family. I'm not going to show you my name, but there it says family. So you got it with whatever your name was. Awesome. Pushing that to the side, and then jumping into this one. I don't know what this one is, but we're gonna find out. I don't want this to run too long, so I'm trying to hurry. Okay. Oh. Oh, okay. Well, this is not, I don't think this is for me. This is the power of nutrient-dense seaweed. I'll show you there. The power of nutrient-dense seaweed. And what do you think they are? These are little doggy treats. Yay, doggy treats. I got Angel's Eyes. From the sea to snack time, stores from the North Sea and beyond. Angel's Eyes, sea sticks, daily dog treats. Tap into the superfood and benefits of seaweed to deliver a benefit-packed tasty treat for your dog. And I actually got these for my neighbors who have puppies. If I can get something for them, I do, and I did, and this was great. Look at this. Look at this bag they sent me. Thank you, Sea Sticks. The puppies, as I will refer to them, will love these, I'm sure. So, yeah, these are like grain-free, gluten-free, plant-based, probably made in the Netherlands with quality ingredients from North Sea and beyond. These are great. Look at that. Okay, you can stop, pause, and read them. These were through another sponsored ad. And I think I got one from my neighbor, but I don't remember. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. I don't remember. But look at them. Oh my gosh. They're going to love these. They're going to love these. So you can stop, pause, and read a little bit more about them if you want. But they look like they're going to be really great, and I think the puppies are going to love these. So I'm going to save this little box so I can give it to her tomorrow. All right, last package of this little unboxing. I had to do new 2 videos because I just thought it was just going to be too much, and yeah. Look at this. I also got notification. Well, I didn't see it, but I got I saw basically a thing that I got approved for something from Pinch Me. I've been a member of Pinch Me forever, forever. I feel like since it started, and uh, I haven't really dove into the app too much, but I did apply for some stuff, and it said I got approved for something. But I don't know if I'm gonna get it or how long that takes. I don't know. So hopefully I'll get it. But let's jump into this because this is something that I'm getting today. And we'll see if I get that one from Pinch Me. Pinch Me is another app for freebies. If you don't know, go sign up for Pinch Me. If I can, I'll link it down below. I'll also link Influencer. Influencer is something that I want to jump back into. I used to be on Influencer back in the day, and I used to get a good amount of little free stuff from that too. That's another one to look out for also. Okay. This one, let's see what it's from now, and I'll tell ya. Oh, I think I know what this was. Okay, so here we go. Let's just go ahead and unbox this and check the box up here. Okay, this was from Grazie. I have been on Grazie since it started. I think the freebie guy was the one who shared about it at the beginning, and he said go follow Grazie. They're giving away a little snack box for the summer. And I went and I signed up. It was through Facebook. You had to do it through Messenger, and you answered a few questions, and then Grazie would say if you were approved or not. And I got the approval, so I got a really cool snack box for the summer with all kinds of like snacks, and it was really awesome. And then I started to get into like seeing when they would put that they were going to be doing another giveaway or something of free stuff, and I would try to see if I would get in, and I would. So sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Sometimes things run out before you're able to get in, so that's just the way it is with Grazie. But if you're not a member of Grazie, I will link them down below because you need to download the app. It is an app, but you can also follow them on social media. They are on Instagram, and they're also, I believe, on Facebook and Twitter. I think they are too, but I'm not sure. But I know they're on Facebook and Instagram. But like I said, you just go on Grazie, you sign up. It's very easy. Once they posted something is being given out, then you just go and kind of answer the little questionnaire. It's very short, and you see if you qualify or not. And this is what I got through them. It says, we know this isn't the sexiest boxer brand, but the results are amazing. It says stronger enamel, healthier gums, and sensitivity relief. So I'll let you guess what's in this box. Yeah, so I signed up for this, like I said, because they were giving it away. Somebody posted it. I think the freebie guy posted it, or I saw it in one of the groups that I'm in for freebies, and I immediately went on my Grazie app, and I did the little questionnaire, and it said, I'm sorry, but you know, we ran out, so we'll put you on a waiting list. And I thought, oh, okay, well, whatever. And that's been done to me before, where I've been put in a waiting list with Grazie, and then all of a sudden, it's just like, bam, I got the freebie. So here it is. So just to be aware of. Oh, and here's the Grazie logo if you want to know what it looks like. They're like little praying hands. Let's see, little kind of praying hands. I don't know. Can you see it? I'm gonna use. Yes, I can. There we go. So there it is. Oh, nice. Okay, so let's see. Here's the box. I opened it up. Got my little card here and my samples. Sensodyne Unbox Unsexy Oral Care. It says get a $10 Walmart e-gift card and redeem towards any Sensodyne product. Oh. Okay, well this is nice. And I'm not going to show that because, but it says Sensodyne Extra Whitening Toothpaste. And I got okay, so I got 3 toothpaste. Perfect, because I was eating toothpaste. It's what's on the inside that matters. And here's my toothpaste, look at that. So let's go ahead and take them out so I can show them to you. This first one is the Sensodyne dentist recommended brand extra whitening toothpaste for sensitive teeth and cavity protection with triple action cleaning formula. Nice. This is really great because sometimes, you know, even if you don't think you have teeth sensitivity, you do, like when you eat ice cream or something cold. So this is great. I've never tried a sensitive toothpaste, so this is going to be great to try. It says 24/7 sensitivity protection, strong and healthy teeth. Let's see. Lots of people have sensitive teeth. When enamel is worn away through eating everyday acidic foods or drinks or gums or seed, and the dentin underneath becomes exposed, this can lead to tooth sensitivity, for example, with cold and hot food and drinks. What does Sensodyne do? Sensodyne provides daily care for sensitive teeth, plus all the benefits you would expect from a daily fluoride toothpaste, strong teeth, and freshness with twice daily brushing. Yeah, so here's the little info if you want to read some more. There on the side there, you can pause and you can read it. But yeah, this is the extra whitening one. Here's the ingredients if you want to see that. So really great, a nice tube of toothpaste. The next one is the Sensodyne fluoride toothpaste for sensitive teeth, anti-gingivitis and cavity protection, sensitivity, and gum. And this one that I got here was in the flavor. What flavor was this? It doesn't say. That one doesn't say what flavor it is. This one says it's mint, so maybe that one is also mint. It doesn't say, but this one is the mint flavor. It's for sensitivity and gum. So really nice. It says tooth sensitivity and gum problems. Many people with sensitivity also have gum problems. Tooth sensitivity can occur when exposed dentin comes into contact with cold, hot, sweet, and sour. Early gum problems are caused by buildup of plaque, bacteria, which can lead to redness, swelling, and bleeding. Okay, so this helps build a protective layer against that. There you go. So if you're, okay, and this is the Sensodyne Pro Enamel toothpaste for sensitive teeth and cavity protection, and this one repairs the weakened enamel for strong, healthy teeth. Well, yeah, now I don't have to buy toothpaste. Perfect. I'll be trying these. I love this. Thank you, Grazie, for this, because this is going to be great. Pro Enamel actively repairs weakened enamel, locks in minerals for strong, healthy teeth. So yeah. I'm just going to leave that there. If you want to read it or you want to pause it, go ahead. Alright, so thank you, Grazie, for that. And yeah, that concludes the unboxing. This was a little bit longer. I knew that's why I cut it in 2 pieces, this video, because I knew it's going to be long. But yeah. So if you enjoyed the video, comment, like, subscribe, and I guess I'll see you in the next one. But I will have videos coming up. I have videos, I've said before in another video, I'm sorry, I was going to stretch my news. I said in another video that I have a lot of videos that I'm going to be posting. They're going to be older because, and yeah, I'm going to talk about maybe being during the, the time when everybody was wearing masks and stuff, and you're going to be like, what? It's because they're older. I just need to post them up. I need to get them out. So I'm going to be doing that. There are going to be a lot of Goodwill bin hauls. I have not been going to the bins, just because I have not been going. But hopefully we will be going soon. And I also have a bag to show, a handbag that I got thrifting recently, and I love it. It was on my wish list of Holy Grail bags to find, and I found it, and I found it in a color that I absolutely love. So that'll be coming up. And spoiler, it was a semi, I guess, not really, I wouldn't call it really, it's more on the cusp of luxury designer because they are expensive. So if you want to see what that is, then keep watching, subscribe to my channel. That's coming up. I will have that video filmed soon. And if you enjoyed it, like I said, comment, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!